Here, buddy. I'm gonna do an unboxing of a lot of random things are in here. There's a lot of random stuff in here, actually, guys. Let me show you what's in here. So this is a few things. Gonna get this. You guys are probably already seeing that there's a Yellow Ranger in here. Let me get started here. Open up the first item. This is the April ONeal figure. This is actually Megan Fox. This is a version of April ONeal. That was from the Ninja Turtles series from the movie. Don't know, I think it was a newer movie. I don't think it was an older movie. Then we have this rapid transit bus. It's in really bad condition though. If you look right here, it's got a... This is completely rubbed off. That's all right though. I'm okay with that. That's fine. I mean, it's not in the best of shape, but it's not in the worst either. Then we have this this is an interesting thing. I'm going to explain this to you a little bit, guys. I'm going to do an individual review on this. This is a Nihilent Percy. Let me see if the battery pack is open. No, it seems like it's glued shut, unfortunately, so I cannot open that. Hoping there's no corrosion in there. At least this is very dusty, this thing. Then we have this Porky Pig. This is kind of funny. This is a Porky Pig with a ghost behind him. Don't believe I have this. And then we have the last thing, the most important thing of everything I think that was in here. The main reason I actually bought this lot is this. This is the Yellow Ranger. And she has her Bear Ninja Zord. And this is another one of the McDonald's ones. So now I'm only missing Blue. The Blue Ranger is the one I'm missing. And I'm going to do an individual review on all this stuff, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.